Once the rope has been routed around the clock spring, it will need to be fed through the pulley system, located at the rear of the machine. First, insert the rope over the lower pulley, then pull it out the back. Route the end of the rope over the middle pulley and below the upper pulley, then push the rope back through to the front of the pulley system and pull it out. This image shows an inside look at how the ropes are correctly routed around the pulleys. After the rope is routed through the pulley system, locate the handles, then thread the looped end of the rope into the strap and fasten it around the coin as shown. Pull the rope to secure the coin into the end of the strap. To tighten the rope, hook the handles around the shoulder pads and gently pull on the latch while walking the carriage to the desired position. It is important to pull the latch gently and walk the carriage, as this will prevent the rope from unraveling from the clock spring.